Can I borrow your pen? Please, can I borrow your pen? Before we actually get into this video proper, if you have not subscribed to my channel, better subscribe. Let's go for my handbag. This is my handbag. This is a really nice handbag I got 2 years ago, over 2 years ago actually, from Miniso, and it's really amazing. It has this really nice like sitters underneath. I don't know if they're called sitters, but you can really just drop your bag and then it sits on the floor. So that's what I put in other colors like black and I think yellow or so, but I chose this color because I wanted something out of the box and I had lots of a black bag. I've had no issues with this bag since I got it like over 2 years ago when I was in like 300 level. Right here I even have my hand sanitizer on it because now we can really go inside the bag and see what's in the bag. So one side of this bag I have my Adventure Time Miniso face wipes, and it's really tiny, it's really handy, like it's really small, so you can use this as your face wipes anywhere, anytime. That's why I'm using so face wipes. Here I have my bunch of keys, this really beautiful unicorn key holder I got from Miniso. Also I have that. Here I also have like my tiny mirror. I have to have a mirror every time because you want to check out your lipstick, you want to check out how your makeup is still doing. This, can you see that? It's so clear. It is so clear. Like, okay, so I have this robe. I think this is like, I think every girl should have a robe or hairband or anything in their bag that you just used to like tie up your hair just in case you're tired. To the other side of my bag, so I have my sunshades. Ooh, have this really nice hand cream I got from Miniso. I always get all my hand creams from Miniso and I've never gotten hand creams from anywhere else. It always gets dry and it's very irritating. So I have this classic lip gloss actually. Classic is a brand that I think it's very cheap here, but you never really get like exactly what you want with them. Here, this is my powder, Tara powder. I always have, every girl has a powder in their purse, obviously. Like, you want to always like touch up your makeup and make sure your makeup is intact. My bag, and I also have this brush that I just used to like touch up my makeup, touch up my powder. Oh, look at this. I have this Fireboy pop socket. Yeah, I think my brother gave this to me after he went for Fireboy's listening party, and I've had it in my bag for a bit. I don't even know why it's still there. Oh, I have Panadol. I don't think I ever go out without painkillers. I always have painkillers in my bag every single time. The lipstick I got from Miniso not too long ago. This is called Flawless. It has Flawless by Miniso. I think this color was called Poppy Red. I literally had to Google it before I got it. I was looking for a red lipstick. Yes, I always have a pen. You don't want to go to a bank without a pen. They will embarrass you in Lagos, Nigeria. You just be looking like, please, can I borrow your pen? Please, can I borrow your pen? Please, can I borrow your pen? So I'm done with the 2 compartments of my bag, and now I'm going to the middle side where I keep like my major tiny stuff that I don't want to lose. So here I have vitamins, Flagyl. Like, I always have this in my purse. Like, I mean, you don't know when you're going to eat something wrong and your tummy starts acting up. If you're a girl, you should actually even have this in your purse. Your tummy can be so embarrassing sometimes. I have here all my ATM cards, my security card, and this is a card I think I'm almost done with from Twin Waters, Rufus and B. I stole this from my boyfriend. Yeah, allows you to play games or anything. So yeah, I think this is the final thing in this part of my bag. In this box is I have pins in this box just in case I want to clip up my hair or something, like have some arrangements. I have safety pins. I have pins that would help me, just basically like tiny stuff. I even have stores just because I always forget to wear earrings. Like, I don't even know, earrings are not necessarily my 100% like important fashion items. Everything is in that tiny middle compartment. So we have successfully gone through my bag. Okay, so that's it. We've gone through my bag successfully, and this is everything. Like everything, I really like small bags, I really like handy bags, I really like bags that take everything I want without keeping extra space, which is why I wouldn't go for bigger bags. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Mwah.